Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Crossbeats Ignite Pro smartwatch. There's an image of the smartwatch right on top of the box. This is what it's supposed to look like. We have some information at the back. This says this particular smartwatch comes with a rich 1.7-inch IPS touch display. It has lightweight metal build. It also comes with smart features enabled, Ip67 waterproof rating, temperature monitor, SpO2 monitor, dynamic heart rate tracking, and also 10 sports modes. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. There you go. This is what you'll find inside the box. First up, we have a user manual for the Ignite Pro smartwatch. You should read this at least once. Not just that, you should also scan this QR code and download the CB Active app from Play Store or iOS App Store on your smartphone so that you can pair this device and use it properly. Everything that you want to know, all the different features, how to connect, safety information, everything is listed over here. Not just that, the features are mentioned all over again right at the beginning with diagrams as well. This comes with, like I mentioned, this comes with a 1.7-inch HD IPS screen. And over here, there are different diagrams telling you what the different components are. This comes with premium metal casing, multi-motion sensors, charging pin, etc. And over here we have a quick start guide. This is basically informs you about the CB Active app, which I mentioned earlier. And you also have a warranty card from Crossbeats. There you go. Next, we have the charging dock for this particular smartwatch. There you go. This is a charging dock. I don't know if this is magnetic or not. We'll find out. Yeah, these are magnetic charging docks. So these two pins will attach to, will basically connect with these two metallic plates over here like so. And only then you will be able to charge this device. Time to take a look at the smartwatch in question. This is the Ignite Pro smartwatch from Crossbeats. Give me a second. I'll just put the strap on first. So this is what the smartwatch looks like. This is what the Ignite Pro smartwatch looks like. It has a metallic frame. I'll show you the display. So this is the 1.7-inch IPS display. And this is the metallic casing that it comes in. At the back, you will notice the heart rate monitor and SpO2 monitor over here. It's written over here Ip67 Waterproof, as I mentioned earlier. And there's a power button on the side as well. Let's turn it on and show you the display. You have to press and hold like so in order for this to start. And there you go, Crossbeats. It's already showing the first watch face. Before I show you anything further, let me just tell you that these straps have this rugged design, and they're very tough. They're flexible, yes, but they're super tough. So this won't be falling off your wrist anytime soon. And this is the watch face in question. If I just swipe right, it'll show me BPM. It's measuring right now all the different activities, sleep cycles. This is a music player over here as well. And this is all more information you will get once you pair this device with the phone. And okay, you can press this button to go back to the watch face and scroll down. You will get the menu. Basically, you have stress, camera, weather, timer, music, QR code, setting, temperature, sports modes, etc. Let's take a look at the sports mode. There's run, walk, climbing, treadmill, cycling, spinning, yoga, basketball, football, and badminton. So basically, a total of 10 sports mode. And this is more or less it. And this is what you find inside the box containing the Crossbeats Ignite Pro smartwatch. Thank you for watching.